let's learn why shading is an important aspect of drawing and how is it beneficial. Pencil shading is an unbelievable technique which brings and adds life to your two-dimensional and flat drawing, giving it a realistic and natural appeal. It is of great importance when it comes to addition of subtle details to impart life to your drawings. Without shading, a drawing looks lifeless and dead. It just breathes life into the drawing. Secondly, it helps in bringing the 3D aspect of a drawing. Every natural object has more than 2 dimensions, and with shading, an artist successfully brings out the dimensions of the subject, bringing out the originality of the subject. Thirdly, it exquisitely defines the sketch or the drawing. It is difficult to interpret a drawing without details, and thus shading adds value to the object. It brings out uniqueness and allows the audience to identify the object. Accuracy of shading gives a clear identification and actualization. Lastly, brings in professionalism, and this simple technique brings out uniqueness of an artist, and it helps the artist stand out from the rest, as without shading all the drawing will look similar. Yeah, and with that we come to the end of our today's video. Thanks guys for watching this. If you like this, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to get more information about art and pencil art. See you in the next video guys. I love you.